Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering your ID, proof of address, and a clear selfie. This saves repeated retries. Once ready, open Bingo Plus, go straight to Profile, and tap Verify ID. Make sure the app is updated. Outdated versions can block uploads. Choose document type, align the card inside the guide frame, and hold steady, avoid glare. You'll see an instant preview. Confirm only when text is sharp. This initial upload triggers the verification workflow, so accuracy here speeds the whole process. Next, focus on capture quality because automated checks are strict. You should use natural light and a plain background. Avoid flash reflections that hide microprint. Align the document so all four corners and the holder's face are visible in the frame, then crop precisely to edges. Enter the name and date of birth exactly as printed. Small mismatches cause rejections. Once done, attach the selfie and any additional page for proof of address. Submitting accurate inputs prevents manual review delays. To finish, submit and monitor the in-app status or your email. Most verifications complete within 24 to 72 hours. If your application is rejected, read the rejection reason, then retake photos addressing that exact issue. Improve lighting, straighten edges, or upload a different document. If problems persist, contact support with your case ID and screenshots so an agent can intervene. One key troubleshooting tip: clear app cache and retry uploads if images fail to send. Network hiccups commonly cause false failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.